Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly incredible to share with you. If you've ever wondered how to make $1,000 daily from the comfort of your own home, then you're in for a real treat. In this video, we are going to reveal the secret to achieving just that, and it involves the amazing power of ChatGPT. Before we dive into the details, let's talk about ChatGPT briefly. ChatGPT is a revolutionary language model created by OpenAI that uses artificial intelligence to understand and respond to human language. It's like having your very own virtual assistant that can help you with a wide range of tasks. Imagine having a tool at your fingertips that can generate high-quality content, assist in research, brainstorm creative ideas, and even help you with your daily tasks. Well, that's exactly what ChatGPT can do for you. By harnessing the power of this AI-driven technology, you can unlock a whole new world of possibilities. Now, you might be wondering how you can use ChatGPT to start earning $1,000 daily. Don't worry, it's much simpler than you might think. All you need is a computer or a smartphone with an internet connection. Head over to the ChatGPT website and sign up for an account. It's easy and free to get started. Familiarize yourself with the features of ChatGPT. The more you know, the better you can utilize it to your advantage. Find profitable niches or topics that have a high demand for content. This could be anything from blogging to online marketing or even product descriptions. Use ChatGPT to create engaging and informative content tailored to your chosen niche. This will attract more viewer and potential customers. Share your content on social media platforms, forums, and other online communities. Building a strong online presence is crucial for success. Now, you might be wondering if anyone has achieved success using ChatGPT. The answer is a resounding yes. Let's take a look at a few real-life success stories. Hi, I'm John, and I've been using ChatGPT for the past 6 months. Thanks to the content I generated with this tool, I've been able to attract thousands of visitors to my website, and that has translated into a steady stream of income. ChatGPT has been a game changer for me. Hey there, I'm Sarah, and I run an online store. ChatGPT helped me create compelling product descriptions, which increased my conversion rates significantly. Now, I'm making $1,000 daily, and it's been an amazing journey. Are you ready to start your journey towards making $1,000 daily with ChatGPT? Don't wait any longer. Unlock the power of AI and take your success into your own hands. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'll be bringing you more exciting content about using AI to transform your life. Until next time, stay inspired and keep striving for greatness.